Are you an artist who's looking for a workshop space? Look no further. Hindustan's got the perfect solution for you. This studio that we have on the second floor of our store is a masterpiece in itself. It's got a beautiful mural on one side and large bay windows on the other with so much natural light flooding the place. Second, it's completely air conditioned, so it's really peaceful. And it's inside an art store, so what kind of a vibe are you looking for? That's the best one. We also have amenities like tables and chairs which we can seat up to 25 people. Plus, we also have a small pantry with a sink so you can wash any of your materials and bring it back and use them. So if you are looking to conduct a workshop and you're tired of doing it in cafes that ask you to get out as soon as the hour is up, this one's for you because it's an art store. Our first and foremost objective is to promote art. So definitely come here for a more peaceful and lovely atmosphere and all these amazing amenities. If you have a lot of questions, I'm sure you do, about the rates and what kind of things you're going to get with that, you can go to our caption and get all of that information. I'll see you soon with another video. Send this to somebody who would love to do a workshop at HTC. Bye-bye.